Aloha and welcome to Keiki Fishing Adventures. This is the second day on the 15-day challenge where we go to 15 different spots over 15 different days. And today we're in Aina Haina. There's a nice channel drop off on the side of the reef over here and we're going to try fish right there. My grandpa used to fish here a long time ago. We're just going to be aiming for all kinds of reef fish and see what kind of action we get. Stay tuned.
Hinalea that I got is a saddle Hinalea, but it's quite steep.
A little bit slimy there.
Okay.
Oh, I think you went over my line, Elijah.
Look at that. Oh, you swallowed the hook. Is it the one with the poison spine?
And,
I have another thing. I have another one. Nine.
yeah.
I didn't swallow it this time.
Yeah. You like one more? Put him in the water. You can go film him underwater.
Swallow it.
You did?
Not
Yes.
too much.
dipping with some Opie Lolos we caught last night.
It's gonna go for yours, Elijah, because yours is a bigger bait. Mine is a little bit. Wait, is that your second bait?
Sure.
Oh. Wait.
Yeah?
Got it.
Okay, release it.
Ooh, it's a big. We didn't catch too much today. I caught most of the fish. We caught some redfish and some hinaleas and other kind of fish.
Make sure to watch our next installment next week. Aloha.